Summer is finally here, and there's no better time to upgrade your home with gadgets designed to make everyday life easier, smarter, and a lot more enjoyable. From smart home devices that feel straight out of the future, to clever kitchen tools and summer essentials you'll find yourself using every day. Today's list is packed with products that solve real problems in surprisingly simple ways. Some of these gadgets are incredibly practical, some are surprisingly fun, and a few might completely change the way you do things around your home. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe for more amazing gadget discoveries and viral Amazon finds every single week. Now, let's jump right in. Ever wish you could unlock your door without digging through your pockets for keys? The Nuki Smart Lock turns your smartphone into a secure digital key and brings true convenience to your front door. It automatically locks and unlocks as you come and go, giving you a seamless hands-free experience. You can even control access remotely and grant temporary entry to family members, guests, or service providers. Installation is surprisingly simple, with no major modifications required. It's a smart upgrade that adds security, convenience, and peace of mind to your everyday routine. Keeping valuables safe has never looked this modern. The Smart Safe combines advanced security features with easy everyday access. Whether you're storing important documents, jewelry, cash, or other valuables, this Smart Safe offers reliable protection while remaining simple to use. Advanced unlocking options make access quick when you need it and secure when you don't. Its sleek design blends naturally into modern homes without drawing unwanted attention. It's the perfect balance of security and convenience for anyone who values both protection and accessibility. Imagine waking up every morning to sunlight gently filling your room without ever touching your curtains. The Cur Bot Curtain Opener transforms ordinary curtains into smart, automated window coverings in just minutes. Simply attach it to your curtain track and control everything from your phone. You can schedule curtains to open at sunrise, close automatically at night, or operate them remotely while away from home. The quiet motor ensures smooth operation without disturbing your sleep. It's a small upgrade that instantly makes your home feel more modern and automated. Meal prep can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to stay organized during a busy week. That's where the 4T7 Smart Board for meal prep comes in. Designed to simplify planning, preparation, and organization, this smart board helps keep ingredients, recipes, and meal schedules neatly arranged. Whether you're preparing family dinners or tracking weekly nutrition goals, everything stays visible and organized in one place. It helps reduce kitchen chaos while making cooking more efficient and enjoyable. It's a smart solution for anyone looking to save time and stay organized. Laundry day doesn't always happen at home, and that's exactly why the portable mini washing machine is such a useful gadget. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. It provides convenient cleaning power wherever you need it. Perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, travel, camping trips, or small living spaces. It handles lightweight clothing and daily essentials with ease. The portable design saves both space and effort while helping you stay on top of laundry without relying on large machines. It's convenience packed into a surprisingly compact package. Sometimes the simplest gadgets end up being the most useful. The hanging trash can attaches directly to cabinet doors, counters, or drawers, giving you an easy place to dispose of food scraps while cooking. Instead of constantly walking back and forth to a large trash bin, waste drops directly into the container as you prepare meals. This keeps countertops cleaner and makes kitchen cleanup significantly faster. Its compact design saves floor space while improving efficiency. It's one of those clever upgrades you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Cooking becomes much more enjoyable when your kitchen tools actually save time. This lemon squeezer extracts fresh juice quickly and efficiently while keeping seeds and pulp out of your drinks and recipes. With a simple press, you can add fresh citrus flavor to lemonade, marinades, salads, seafood dishes, and desserts. The ergonomic design reduces hand strain and makes squeezing effortless compared to doing it manually. Cleanup is quick and easy, making it perfect for everyday use. It's a simple gadget that delivers fresh flavor with minimal effort. Summer and frozen treats go hand in hand. These homemade popsicle molds allow you to create refreshing frozen snacks exactly the way you like them. Fill them with fruit juice, yogurt, smoothies, or your favorite ingredients and create custom popsicles without artificial additives. They're perfect for kids, adults, and anyone looking for a healthier way to stay cool during hot weather. The reusable design makes them both eco-friendly and cost-effective. It's a fun and creative way to enjoy delicious frozen treats all summer long. Tea lovers are going to appreciate this next gadget. The Smart Teapot takes the guesswork out of brewing by helping you achieve the perfect temperature for every cup. Different teas require different brewing conditions, and this smart device helps maintain ideal temperatures for optimal flavor. Whether you enjoy green tea, black tea, herbal blends, or specialty teas, the Smart Teapot ensures consistency every time. Its modern design looks great on any countertop while adding convenience to your daily routine. It's a smarter way to enjoy your favorite beverage. Parents know how important it is to have warm milk ready when needed. The bottle warmer provides a quick and reliable way to heat baby bottles to comfortable feeding temperatures without overheating. Simple controls make operation easy, while the compact design fits neatly into any kitchen setup. Instead of dealing with inconsistent heating methods, parents can enjoy a more convenient and dependable solution. Whether it's a late-night feeding or a busy morning, this gadget helps make daily routines a little smoother and less stressful. Hot summer days can quickly become uncomfortable, but a portable fan offers instant relief wherever you go. Lightweight and easy to carry, it provides refreshing airflow whether you're working, traveling, commuting, exercising, or relaxing outdoors. Many portable fans feature rechargeable batteries, making them ideal for extended use without needing constant access to power outlets. Despite their compact size, they can deliver surprisingly strong airflow. It's the perfect summer companion for staying cool and comfortable no matter where the day takes you. Plant care gets a futuristic upgrade with Plant Bot. This intelligent flower pot acts like a digital companion while helping you take better care of your plants. Equipped with smart sensors, it monitors environmental conditions such as moisture, light, and temperature to help plants thrive. The expressive display adds personality by showing animations and reactions that make plant ownership more interactive and enjoyable. It's a unique combination of technology and nature that transforms ordinary plant care into something much more engaging and entertaining. If PlantBot wasn't futuristic enough, wait until you see the floating pot. This incredible planter appears to levitate above its base using magnetic technology, creating a mesmerizing floating effect that instantly grabs attention. As the pot gently rotates in midair, it transforms ordinary plants into eye-catching decorative displays. The combination of modern design and innovative engineering makes it a stunning centerpiece for homes, offices, and creative spaces. It's one of those rare products that feels both artistic and futuristic at the same time. Measuring projects accurately just got a major upgrade. The digital tape measure combines traditional measuring functionality with modern digital convenience. Instead of squinting at tiny markings, measurements are displayed clearly and accurately on a digital screen. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects, furniture assembly, renovations, or DIY tasks, it helps reduce errors and improve precision. The user-friendly design makes measuring faster and more efficient while saving valuable time. It's a practical tool that brings smart technology into everyday projects. Thanks for watching. Which of these gadgets would you actually bring into your home? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering these smart home upgrades, clever kitchen tools, and summer must-haves. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing gadget finds every week. And be sure to check out our next video for even more innovative products designed to make everyday life easier, smarter, and a lot more fun. We'll see you in the next one.